Hi, today I will show you a program, and with the help of this program you can use your Chrome browser and you can also use your proxy with this. So if you just open the file and when you run this for the first time, this type of menu may show up. So you just need to click on more info and then run anyway, and then you can see this type of interface, and here there will be option to enter the proxy. So I have a proxy already copied, so I'm just pasting it here. So and make sure that your proxy is in the same format. So at first here will be your IP address, then it will be your port, and then your username, and then your password, and all of those will be separated with this colon mark, and then just press enter and it will open up your Chrome. And you don't need to do anything. The bot will automatically put here the username and the password to complete the login into the proxy. One thing you need to make sure that your Chrome browser is up to date. If you are using a older version of Chrome, then it will not work. Okay, so by default it has visited my website. This bot is free of cost. You don't need to pay anything. You will get this bot on my website, and just visit this address MainbotPy.com, and you will find my website, and in my website you will find this bot. Just order it and you will get the delivery within a few minutes, and you don't need to pay anything. Thanks for watching the video.